Swara Rathi from grade 4, Anand Niketan Vaini School. As we know, there are lots of new games in the world and we can play them on TV or PlayStations. So in that games, we use object like gun or toy to kill objects. So today I made innovative project named electronic toy gun. In this we have used 3x wires, 3-volt battery, LED, buzzer and tech switch. Whenever we press the tech switch, LED will glow and buzzer will beep because they are connected in parallel. Whenever we release the tech switch, LED will stop glowing and buzzer will stop beeping. Thank you.